Alright, we're fishing here at the old Lunker Tree in Danby with Ryan B. See if we can get one. Old one hand cast with the old black and gold panther martin. See if we can get it done. First cast.
I cast straight in the bridge and I thought, hey, I let this thing sink for a minute.
Yeah. Right over there, some guy told me one day that there's only lunkers, so we're gonna cast in there and see what's happening.
Dude, you got the swimming trunks on?
Got the swimming trunks on just in case I get snagged or I want to go catch some lures, you know.
I saw a few lures looking out the bridge.
Didn't bring the best shoes, forgot the boots today, but we'll be all set. Planning to stay around 8:30, so we should be able to catch some more.
Dude, I was talking to my dad earlier. He said that if he said that me and you, we could get in a canoe behind my neighbor's house and we could like fish all the way down the freaking Rocky Mountain in the canoe.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby.
Holy
That's
crap!
Is
Nice.
that a rainbow or brown?
Trout.
Nice one.
That's a lunker.
Guy just caught one up on top of the bridge.
Brown?
That's a pretty big brown. All right, guys, I'll get back to you though as soon as we get on some fish. A little brown trout. First one of the day.
Dude, you're standing on my pole.
My bad.
Alright, I'm gonna let him go.
Alright, get the release video.
Just sitting there.
There he goes.
Alright, pulling up to the next spot here. Pretty good little spot. Had some luck here in the past. See if we can get some on.
Can you catch that brook trout?
Yeah.
That guy's hammering in there with that thing.
Oh. Got a fish on? Oh. Oh.
Dude, that's a nice fish.
There's two of them right there. Two fish just chased. I almost had them.
Had a pretty nice tail on it.
Just missed two trout there. We'll get them on this cast, I bet.
That's it.
Oh, I got a tick on the back of my leg.
How'd you miss both of them?
I don't know, they just didn't, they bit, but not like crazy. It felt like a brook trout, honestly. A lot of ticks around, so gotta watch out. We'll get back to you when we get a fish on, guys. Got a fish on, guys. Looks like a little brown here. Nice. Want to get that unhooked for me?
I need pliers for that.
Hold that net. Nice brown trout, stocky, time for a release.
There it goes.
Nice and clean release. Knuckle bump. We'll come back to you guys once we get some more. Ryan B's got a brook trout on here. Got a reel in here so I don't get snagged. Here, I'll come down in there.
Yeah, he unhooked himself.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks
That's
nice.
definitely native. That's
Looks like a nice one.
That's a nice looking trout right there.
I'm gonna stand quick picture.
Oh yeah, that is nice.
Alright, we good.
I'll release him. Alright guys, fish number 2 for Ryan, fish number 3 today. Second species. Here we go. Time for the release.
Here he goes.
There we go. Looks like it's a nice spot.
Oh yeah.
Alright, move downstream a little bit. Got a couple hits from brook trout here. Start recording, see if we can get one.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna change to that. It's a little bit smaller. I might get it.
Yep. Bad cast. Alright. Made it to another spot.
Should I go single or double?
Double. Alright, made it to another spot here. Had a little bit of luck here with some brook trout, but let's see what we can get. Cast a couple times here. Cast down twice and then up.